To finish your paracord, you have to cut off the working ends that you've been manipulating this whole time. To do that, there's a couple different ways. In the classroom, we would normally use a system like this, which superheats the metal bar and then cuts and solders the material. As we know now with paracord that there's an outer shell and then there's kind of the guts inside of it, which consist of seven strands that you can use for other pieces. But with that, as you work it, sometimes that material will break down and unravel, and that causes for something unsightly. And so we want to, just like with this bracelet here, solder the ends for a professional look. So normally I would use this in the classroom, and if we had, this is a Mad Max style bracelet here, if we had an end like this, I would come in and weld it like so. That adheres it to the siding and allows for a really nice clean look. Because we don't have these at home, the next best thing is for parents to be able to do this for you. Now, this is not something I would recommend students doing unless it's under parent supervision. So parents, you're going to need to be involved here. At home, we're going to need to use a lighter and a pair of scissors to wrap up and clean up these ends. So take a pair of scissors and snip it off maybe a couple millimeters away from the knot. All you're looking for is enough material so that you can melt it into the knot itself. You're going to want to keep the flame away from it and just heat it up rather than putting the rope directly into the flame. That material will start melting, and once you see that glossy sheen to it, you then take the side of your lighter and smoosh it into the knot, which will then create a clean finish. Again, I would recommend doing this outside to keep your fumes out of the house, and then your bracelet is complete.